Hey, it's BERTA Jay, and you're back with me today in the kitchen, but we're not gonna do any kind of cooking. I just wanted to take some time to talk to you, to let you know where I've been and how I'm doing. And I just wanted to start off by telling you all that everybody in this world has problems. Doesn't matter who they are, your family, your friends, your co-workers, the people that are your acquaintances, your mailman, your electrician and plumber. Doesn't matter who they are. They all have problems. And that's what I wanted to tell you, is that this is a problem, a difficulty that I had to go through. And I wanted to share just little highlights of what's going on with me now. I had to have my total hip, my right hip, replaced. After the surgery, it was a lot of things going on. It was like I had a lot of pain. I had to take, medication for the pain. I couldn't walk very well. I couldn't go up and down stairs. I want to say that I guess I could have gotten depressed, but I never did because I had the Lord with me. And He encouraged me and He helped me. I took one day at a time. I couldn't look too far ahead because it was too far. I didn't know how long I was going to be the way I was and when I was going to get better. But I had my family, and my children were very, very big encouragers. And when I would get to the top of the stairs quicker, they would clap for me. And so it was really good. You need somebody on your team, on your side, to encourage you through your difficulties. But know that they are there to make you better, to make you a better version of yourself. There's a scripture that I want you to keep in mind. It's 2 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 3 and 4. And it says in there that the same comfort that God gives you when you are going through, the same comfort He gives you, you will be able to give somebody else when they are going through the same problem that you've gone through. It's like we help each other. We look out for each other. And we know that we're not going to have to do this alone. And now I can drive. Now there's no pain in my hip. I can go up and down the stairs pretty quick. They timed me the other day, 14 seconds, going up 14 steps. So I'm doing a whole lot better, guys. And the other thing that helped me was when I would go to the channel. You guys left me some of the nicest notes, that you were praying for me, that you couldn't wait for me to get back, you missed me. And those things encourage me too. Words are very, very encouraging. So good words, pleasant words are good not only for your soul, but they're also for your health. And I just wanted to thank you for all that you've said, all that you've done, and to let you know that I'm back. I guess that was the whole reason for this video, is to let you know that I'm back. And people have asked me, even at church, and the friends of mine and my sisters have asked when I was coming back. So I am officially back. We will be making videos, more videos, but it won't be on a regular basis like every week like I used to. So it's going to be a slow start until we get the rhythm going. And I'm moving around and doing a whole lot better. And then we'll be doing once a week, but not at the beginning. So thank you so much for who you are, troopers, because I am glad to say that BERTA Jay is back, better than ever. Thanks again for everything you've done and said and written to me. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, and bye for now.